Yo YouTube, what is going on? Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Sims 4 packs for free. This is going to get you every single pack for Sims 4. And as you can see guys, the cost of packs usually are pretty expensive. So this is going to save you a bunch of cash. And this is super simple. This uses a redeem code or a digital game code that you can literally redeem on any platform. So it doesn't matter if you play on PlayStation, Mac, PC, Xbox, whatever guys, you can use these redeem codes and get every single Sims 4 pack for free. So make sure you use a mobile phone. It doesn't matter which phone you have, just as long as you can get on the internet. So open up the internet browser of choice and go to this website, www.robotcoupons.com. So robot coupons guys, very important you spell it correctly, ROBOTCOUPONS. This is a codes website. They have promo codes for things, they have game codes. So you need to find the Sims 4 codes page. Sims 4, here we go. Sims 4, all DLCs, free digital game code. So basically guys, this is going to get you not only every single pack for free, but if you do not have Sims 4, which I'm assuming everyone watching this does already, but if you don't, it will give you the game as well. But yeah, it doesn't matter if you've already got the game because it will just give you the packs. So you can see these codes are limited in number. So there is a process of unlocking your personal code. So you need to choose your platform. I personally play on PlayStation. So in this scenario, I'm going to click on show code up here. And this is a free digital copy of Sims 4 plus all DLC expansion packs for free. So you can see guys, I need to unlock my personal code. Now this limits one code per person, and it will take about 5 minutes to unlock your code, but the cost of these packs is so expensive, this is well worth spending 5 minutes on. So tap unlock code. Now I've already got my packs and I don't want to waste a code for the purpose of a video, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. But basically when that loading screen reaches 100%, you're going to see a new page and it's going to tell you how to go ahead and unlock your code. If this is your first time visiting Robot Coupons, you will need to verify you're not a robot, which will take, like I said, between 5 and 10 minutes. Complete a couple of tasks, but once you've done that and followed all of the instructions very carefully, your code will then be unlocked, and in this case I would have to redeem it in the PlayStation Store, and it's going to download all of the DLCs for Sims 4. Alternatively, you can choose it on Xbox or PC or Mac. So that is it guys, super simple. Head on over to Robot Coupons, search for the Sims 4 DLCs, and go ahead, unlock your code for your platform of choice and follow the instructions. So enjoy guys, I'll see you next time, peace.